Okay, real talk. Have you ever looked at an English word and been like, how am I supposed to pronounce that? Like, what even is a Worcestershire? Is it a place? Is it a type of cheese? Who knows? English can be a wild ride, my friends, but you know what? We've all been there. We've all stumbled over words like we're trying to walk in heels for the first time. But fear not, because today, we are conquering those tricky English words. And let me tell you, it's going to be iconic. English can be a maze of tricky words. Ever stumbled on words like, or, don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're breaking down some of the most difficult English words to pronounce and making them easy to master. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get real for a hot sec. Worcestershire sauce. Delicious? Yes. Impossible to pronounce? Also yes, I swear this word is like the Voldemort of the English language. We're not even supposed to try to say it. But you know what? We're not gonna let it win. We're gonna conquer this beast. So forget everything you thought you knew about pronouncing Worcestershire because it's all a lie. Okay, maybe not all a lie, but it's definitely misleading. The key here is to channel your inner speed demon and just go for it. Worcestershire. Boom, mic drop. See? It wasn't that bad, was it? Now you can confidently order that Bloody Mary without feeling like you need a degree in linguistics. You're welcome. Okay, next up we have entrepreneur. I feel like this word is always thrown around in those like motivational Instagram quotes, you know? Be an entrepreneur. Hustle, grind, side hustle. And while I fully support chasing your dreams, can we at least pronounce the word correctly? So, entrepreneur might look super intimidating, but I promise it's not as bad as it seems. Just break it down into little chunks, like you're cutting up a pizza. We've got AHN true preneur. See? It's like a little pronunciation puzzle and we just solved it. And the best part? Now you can casually drop the word entrepreneur into conversations and sound super sophisticated, even if you're just like selling friendship bracelets on Etsy. Okay, let's be real, Colonel is straight up just out to get us. Like, who decided that the C should sound like a K? And don't even get me started on the silent L. It's like the English language just woke up one day and chose chaos. But you know what? We're not gonna let this word win. We're gonna pronounce it right, even if it's the last thing we do. So, here's the deal. It's kernel, like kernel as in popcorn kernel. I know it makes absolutely no sense, but just go with it. And hey, at least you'll have a fun fact to whip out at parties. Did you know that kernel is pronounced with a silent L? Yeah, I know, wild, right? You're welcome. Alright, let's talk about quinoa. Now, I feel like this word is a real test of your health nut status. Like, if you can pronounce it correctly, you're basically Gwyneth Paltrow. But seriously though, quinoa is another one of those words where the spelling just does not match the pronunciation at all. But don't worry, I'm here to help you sound like the ultimate health guru. Ready for this? It's quinoa. Yep, that's it. Now go forth and impress your friends with your newfound quinoa knowledge. Bonus points if you can work it into a conversation about your latest juice cleanse. Okay, anemone, let's be real, this word sounds like it should be the name of a Disney princess, but it's actually just a sea creature. But hey, at least it's a pretty sea creature. Anyway, back to the pronunciation. Anemone might look intimidating, but it's all about breaking it down into manageable chunks. We've got anemone, see? Easy peasy. It's like a little pronunciation dance. Anemone. And the best part? Now you can impress your friends with your vast knowledge of marine life. Just try not to get it confused with amnesia, because that's a whole other story. Last but not least, let's talk about February. Now I know what you're thinking, Emma, February isn't even that hard to pronounce. And you're right, it's not, if you're pronouncing it correctly. But you would be surprised how many people just casually skip right over that first R. Don't be that person. Embrace the R. Own it. Say it loud and proud. February. See? It rolls right off the tongue. And hey, if you ever forget, just remember, February is the shortest month, but it deserves all the letters. And there you have it. 6 of the most difficult English words to pronounce, officially conquered. I'm so proud of us, you guys. Seriously though, pronouncing words correctly can be a total confidence booster. It's like, yeah, I know how to say Worcestershire correctly, what of it? But in all seriousness, I hope this video helped you feel a little bit more confident about tackling those tricky English words. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least it makes us sound a little less like we're speaking a foreign language. So go out there and use those words. Impress your friends, your family, your barista. The possibilities are endless. See? Pronouncing difficult words doesn't have to be scary. Which word do you struggle with? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to level up your English skills. See you next time.